I don't know. I don't know how much I can say about my situation. Um, well, I am I am going through something really, really hard, and I have been trying my best to pull it all together for the past couple months, and I um it's really hard. I don't know how much I can say. I've just I just am owed a very large amount of money. I don't want to say how much. I won't say by who, but I am doing my best to work through it because it was money that you guys gave me. It was money that we funded together as a community during my subathon. And it absolutely tears me up inside and eats me every day knowing that everyone's money is not going towards the projects that it was supposed to go towards. And I have been trying to be as kind and patient to everyone that I meet, everyone that I speak to, but I think that maybe sometimes that can't get you very far in life. So,
Love you, hang in there.
that's what I've been dealing with, and I'm really scared. I don't know what this means. I'm gonna keep streaming as usual. I'm gonna keep doing whatever I'm doing. I'm gonna keep kicking ass. But um I'm so sorry that I'm so sorry that my I'm so sorry that my subathon goals have not been met, and I promise I did not pocket anyone's money, and everything that happened was out of my control, and it's been really, really hard. And I don't know I don't know what I don't know what any of this means. Um but I'm gonna do what I can, and hopefully everything will be okay. But it's been it's been an uphill battle, and I hate that I have had to deal with this alone for so long. And I just want my money back. And it's not a small sum either. So I hope you can understand me when I take more sponsorships, or if I take on ads and stuff. It's because I'm trying to recuperate the costs of the money that I lost. And I'm really sorry, but I've just never dealt with anything like this before. And it's really scary. I don't know how much I can say, but it's not just me either. And if me talking about this means I don't get my money back, then I don't care. At least other people won't go through what I did. I'm okay. I'm okay. I can still. I've been doing really well up until this point. I can continue to keep doing well. I have all of you, and that's all that matters. I want to be as transparent as possible and let you all know what's going on, and that if it hadn't been for the amount of time and the length that I've been waiting to get my money back,
Nothing to apologize for, we're here for you.
Thank
Try
you.
not to be too hard on yourself. Sending you all the hugs.
Thank you. I appreciate it a lot. I'm gonna stop getting one guide now and continue to kick ass with all of you.
Hang in there, Bao. You can still kick ass. Heck,
Oh.
you can even kick my ass if you ever want. Bao hug, Bao hug, Bao hug.
I'm not gonna kick your ass. I'm not gonna kick your ass. Thank you, though. I've made peace with the fact that I'm probably going to have to make all the money that I made during the subathon back, and it is really hard for me to say it out loud because that's not a small sum. But I'm gonna keep doing my best. 'Cause I am not
Just something to try and help someone who makes so many people happy just by being the wonderful Jusam she is.
I'm not a vengeful person. And I don't want to do anything out of anger, or I just don't know what to do. It just really hurts when people get upset with me when I take on sponsorships and they don't know why I'm taking on so many. And oh god, my model fucking died. Great. Now you guys can't see how sad I am. Now I can't. Now surely the the immersion is ruined. Okay. Alright. Sorry, I'm done clip farming. I'm my bad. It is
Bao,
it
you
is
are
what
loved.
it is.
Nothing in the world will change that. If you ever need help, we are